Hey friends, it's Laura. Welcome to my channel. I've got a new filming setup today in a different location because my craft room is being rearranged, so I hope the shadows and stuff don't throw you off. I definitely wanted to get this filmed though because it is my June wild hair kit and it's so beautiful. It just came in the mail and I could not wait for my permanent filming location to start making pretty stuff with this kit because as soon as I saw it, I wanted to dig right in and start making stuff. So I'm doing something really unique this month, and that is that I asked Allison of the Wild Hair Kits to make me and Rachel Tallman an identical kit to one another. So we both have the same exact kit this month. I will link her channel down below, and what we're going to be doing is a series of different challenges where we share different projects made with the same exact kit so you can see how differently they turn out or how similarly they turn out because we have no idea what the other one's making. So we're gonna make some handmade tags, we're gonna do a scrapbooking layout, we're gonna make some fun embellishments, and I'm so excited, and this kit is perfect for this challenge. So the very first thing that we have here is some washi tape, and this is gorgeous. It's got beautiful lemons on it. I hope you could see that pattern there. So cute. And I believe this is from the new Dear Lizzie line. Not totally sure, but if I had to guess, that is what I would guess. We've got these beautiful thickers here, these alphabets, and they're so cute. Some of them have 3 different colors. Many of them have 2 different colors, and it looks like part of them have been dipped in one color, and then the other part has been dipped in another color. They're just so fun and cute, and lots of fun summer colors there. We've got the Cartabella Flower Market chipboard set and lots of cute things for layouts here. And we've got some twine. I'm so excited for this. As soon as I saw it, I knew that I wanted to do a tag challenge because this is going to be perfect to put on some really cute little tags. Very cute. And then we've got some Heidi Swapp photo corners. So we have a light pink, a dark pink, a blue, an electric green, and then we've got the gold foil photo corners here. And these come in the cutest little matchboxes. How cute is that? So adorable. And then we have the Saturday Afternoon by One Canoe 2 die cut shapes pack. Lots of cute little shapes in here I wanted to show you. We've got popsicles, flip-flops. We've got some copper foil. It says nothing is worth more than this day. We've got some florals. Cute little phrases there. Very cute items. Live a life you love. We got some avocados. Our other flip-flop. Got this chair. It says let's be lazy. A camera, of course some florals and a leaf and another popsicle there. Another avo. This says good vibes only. We've got a little pool floaty there. Some playing cards. Choose happy. We've got some of these. Dear Saturday, I love you. A bicycle. A house. Another pool floaty there. This ice cream is so cute. I love it. We've got some florals. Enjoy today. Let's be lazy. A cute little cup. A little page flag there. Got a strawberry and these cute little rain boots. So lots of cute ephemera die cuts in that pack. And then on the inventory list of everything that came in my wild hair kit, Allison said, "Hi Laura, I cannot wait to see what you and Rachel do with these kits. I'm really looking forward to this and I love the idea. Enjoy." So excited. We've got some 6x8 pattern papers here. We've got a lovely yellow with some florals on it. We've got this cute one with different hands on it and some gold foil that say phrases like this, us, yeah, okay, love. We've got this cute little purse illustration. We've got a nautical themed one and an orange floral paper. So cute for summer. You can see how colorful this kit is. Oh my goodness. We've got some freckled fawn enamel stickers, enamel dots. Love these, and I love the colors. They remind me of Sherbert. And yeah, just beautiful light pinks and oranges and yellows, and so pretty. I cannot wait to use these. And then we've got our 12 by 12 pattern papers. The first one is Dear Lizzie from the It's All Good line, and this paper is called Blissed Out. And we've got the back there. We've got the exclusive cut file for June for the Wild Hare kits, and I still got to punch out all my insides to it, but this is a cute lemon illustration there. So adorable. And then we've got this pattern paper from Dear Lizzie, It's All Good. It's a pink and red floral illustration with some blue stripes on the back. This is from the I Am Mom collection by Echo Park. Lots of cute phrases. Got another one from Dear Lizzie. Some strawberries on the back. This striped one from Pink Fresh Studio, Everyday Musings. Love this pattern paper. I love this paper so much. This is Dear Lizzie, It's All Good. This one's called Live Simply, and I am just dying over this floral pattern. I am obsessed with it. I love it. I cannot wait to use this paper, and I want like 5 more of them. And then on the back we have a polka dot. Another one from Dear Lizzie, a beautiful floral illustration here, this time in color, with some stripes on the back. And then the last one here is also from Dear Lizzie, and we've got lemons and stripes. So that's what my kit looks like this month. It's got so many beautiful different colors and patterns and fun things to play with. I cannot wait to use this kit and make awesome stuff. Make sure you follow me and Rachel Tallman throughout the month so you can see how we use the same kit in different ways and all the fun different projects that we're going to be sharing with you on how we use up this kit. I'm so excited for this challenge, and yeah, I cannot wait to share it with you and see what kind of creativity is sparked all around. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. Make sure you're following Rachel and I will link my crafty e-courses down below, as well as the Wild Hare kits if you want to grab a kit for yourself or get crafty with me in some of my crafty e-courses. I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye!